Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Neo2, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup of this phone when you first get it. So when you boot it up, you will be presented with this screen right over here where you get to select your desired language. I'll be sticking with English, but obviously you can choose any kind of other language from here. Now let's go to the next page, which is choosing our region. On the next page we have a REALME smartphone user agreement, so just user agreement. Obviously no phone can go without those. It's quite annoying, to be honest. You do have to select the box right here, otherwise you literally cannot finish the setup nor can you use the device without this. I do have some more terms of service because why the hell not, though the only one that you actually need to select is the first one. The rest of them are optional, so that's what I'm gonna stick with. And this will bring us to the Wi-Fi connection. So in here, obviously connect to Wi-Fi if you want to. If you don't, you can simply skip this. And if you also skip inserting a SIM card, you will lose the ability to log into your Google account. And additionally, date and time won't be set automatically, though both of those things can be changed later on once the setup has been finished. And all you need to do is go into the settings and change it in there. Now, next thing you should see is the Google services, so we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now, I'm going to just really quickly touch upon those. So location is GPS tracking, then we have scanning, allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then below there we have send user and diagnostic data, which allows Google to spy on you. Going to the next page, this will allow us to set up a screen lock to our device. So there is multiple ways you can protect your phone, that be between PIN, pattern, password, face recognition, and fingerprint. Though REALME is that apparently does not know how translation works, so in both of the cases, if you tap on password, it opts into a PIN, because why the hell not? Again, translation is basically lost here. So if we also change the use a different password type, which just honestly bugs the living hell out of me. I ain't a English savant here, but I know enough to be basically triggered by this. So in here we have the actual pattern, then we have a 4-digit PIN. Fix it for you, REALME. You can go and change it in your software. Then we have 4 to 16-digit PIN, REALME. Then we actually have the only option that does work with the word password, because it's alphabetical. And yeah, so choose whichever one you want. I'll be going with the pattern right here. So I'm gonna draw the pattern, then repeat it, and this will now set it up automatically. Now, because I only chose the screen lock right here, it didn't prompt me to set up any kind of other things like fingerprint or face recognition. But if you chose to go with one of those, like fingerprint or face recognition, it will automatically prompt you to set up a screen lock, and then it will allow you to set up the fingerprint or face recognition. Now here we have some recommended auto update overnight. If you want it, enable it. If you don't, then just go to the next page, import data, and this will allow you to move over all your data from an older device to this one. This does use their application, which you will need to download on the older device, and there simply follow the instructions that will be displayed in that app. And from here you basically finish up the setup. So let's select get started, and there's our home screen. So anyway, this is how you could go through the setup of this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.